Hello everyone. Let us solve one question from mathematical physics. The question is the volume integral is given this. Okay, is over a volume V bounded by a surface that is sigma, an infinitesimal area element being n cap ds, where n cap is the outward normal unit vector, and if that integral changes to I plus delta I when a vector changes to a plus grad a. Okay, then we have to find out that changes integral, that is delta I. And according to the question that I given, and we have to find, and that I changes to I plus delta I, and for this integral a vector changes to a plus grad a. Okay, so for these things we have to find out the changing integral, that is delta I. So uh, let us write that integral I is equal to, this is volume. See here dqx is the volume integral, dv I can write. So over volume v a dot del cross a whole into dv, change, write the change thing, that is I plus delta I is equal to volume v a to a plus grad a dot del cross a plus grad a over volume v. Okay, then I plus delta I is equal to, see here if I open that bracket, the things will be a plus grad a whole into v over volume v, and then del cross a plus del cross grad a and that volume integral. Okay, see here the call of grad a is equal to 0, as you know. Okay, that is call of the grad a. Okay, and then the remaining things is over volume v a plus grad a into del cross a. I just simply open this bracket and multiply, the dot product is here, then a dot del cross a plus divergence, sorry, grad of a dot del cross a, integration over volume v. See, this is the original integral, a dot del cross a. A dot del cross a is the original integral, that is I. So I can write that I plus delta I is equal to I plus integration over volume v grad a dot del cross a whole into dv, and here I get cancelled, and then uh, change in integral, that is delta I is equal to integration over volume v del cross a into grad a dot is already here. Okay, as you know that a dot b cross c, I can write that b dot c cross a or c dot a cross b in cyclic manner, triple product. So I can write this as a divergence of, this should be in cyclic manner. If a b c like this, then bc will be the thing, b dot c cross a, that is a cross grad a, integration over volume dv. Okay, here the thing is divergence of, this is a vector function. Do you know the divergence of vector function over volume v is equal to f dot n cap ds, that is over closed surface S. This is the Gauss divergence theorem. So where f is a cross del cross a. So I can write this that over surface integral a cross grad a into n cap ds. Okay, this is the answer. See the option. This is not, this is also not, but here the answer is in minus sign, so I can change the product, alternate the position, so minus sign will come. So the surface integral over that is grad a call a whole into n cap ds is the answer. See, okay, and thank you.